Here's a 2018 Ford F-150. This truck was built to tough it out and tested to make sure it's up to every challenge. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Twin-turbo V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, integrated navigation system, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual-zone climate control, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and front heated and ventilated leather split bench seats. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Ford is America's best-selling vehicle brand. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.